In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp artwork with mesh transformation in Clip Studio Paint. Mesh transformation is a powerful way to bend, stretch, and subtly reshape artwork without redrawing it. It's perfect for fitting graphics onto curved surfaces, tweaking proportions, or making perspective fixes. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can use it with confidence. First, make sure the correct layer is active. Click on the layer that contains the artwork you want to warp. If you're working non-destructively, consider duplicating that layer beforehand so you always have a clean original to fall back on. Having the right layer selected is essential. If the tool seems unresponsive later, it's usually because the wrong layer was active. Next, go to the top menu and choose Edit, then Transform and select Mesh Transformation. As soon as you do, a grid appears over your image. This grid is the mesh and its intersections are the control points that drive the distortion. Now think of the mesh like a flexible net laid over your artwork. Wherever you pull the net, the image follows. Now click and drag the control points to sculpt the artwork into the shape you need. Small, deliberate moves often work best. You can nudge a single point for precise adjustments, or move a cluster of nearby points to shift a broader area more gently. Keep an eye on edges and critical details. Spreading your adjustments across multiple points helps avoid harsh kinks or stretching artifacts. Zoom in for accuracy and pan around to check that your changes look natural across the whole piece. If the mesh feels too coarse or too dense, adjust the number of mesh divisions in the tool property window. Fewer divisions give you broader, simpler control, great for big, sweeping changes. More divisions give you finer control, ideal for subtle corrections around eyes, text, or tight curves. Start with a moderate setting, then increase or decrease until the mesh matches the complexity of your task. Keep in mind that very dense meshes can slow things down and make edits harder to manage. Continue refining by dragging points until the artwork aligns with your vision. Take your time. It's normal to make a series of small adjustments rather than one big move. When you're satisfied, press Enter to confirm the transformation. Your changes are now applied. If something doesn't look right afterward, you can undo and try again with a different mesh density or gentler adjustments. That's it. Select your layer, open mesh transformation, shape with the control points, fine-tune the mesh density, and confirm. With a little practice, you'll warp artwork cleanly and confidently every time.